Alrighty, mighty, let's go. Okay, so what have we done this week? First, as usual, I'm gonna tell you exactly what we did. It's a Sunday's sermon, public accountability rant. All right, very good. Let's see. So, SOP, I'm gonna open my own SOP. What did I achieve last week? Man, I have pushed out the first audiobook to my partner. Now we just need to redo the title and what is it called? And the cover of the book. So that's gonna be done. I have also, let's go over here. All right. So this we will say title and cover still not done, right? Now I've done so much more than that, man. So much more. I can show you a little bit of it, but don't get too excited. So I have built this amazing dashboard where I can do my niche research, audience research, title, subtitle, everything is gonna be done within this app. That's the crazy part. So here I'm gonna create the best selling description. I'm gonna have the outlines in the future. And I just, this one is not even in the scope of this video yet, but anyways, let's just say what is useful right now is this. I'm gonna be running Facebook ads and I'm gonna tell it which seasons it should run. This has taken so much time, but I love what is becoming soon. I can basically for each book run seasonal ads and generate all of the pictures. All of them we're gonna generate here, right? And then we're gonna refine those concepts. Whatever concept we get, we're gonna refine those. Then we're gonna poll those, and I have now built our in-house polling system. So it's cheaper than any alternative that I know. With the quality that we have now, we can choose where they're from and like which state they're from. We can choose so much. This is insane. So then we're gonna launch the ads. I'm also going to completely revolutionize how I launch ads, and it's gonna take less than 5 minutes. So that's very interesting. And last but not least, this is something that I did today. I was annoyed because 11 Labs was too expensive. It didn't create the audiobooks fast. It was annoying. So I basically, in an hour, built a custom built tool to turn with the cheapest AI a text file, which is a book, which is very long, chunk it down, and with a very nice voice, turn it into an amazing audiobook, which cost me less than $6, right? And I can turn anything into an audiobook and download it and convert it and put it on my phone. It was amazing. This is the best thing. So I'm also developing a few other things, but this is some of the things I've done, okay? Now, the cookbook is done. So it's pretty much finished. It's been reviewed, but maybe we should click this as done, and then we're gonna copy this. We're gonna say publish cookbook because it's not published yet. Okay, so Facebook tool almost automated. I mean, depends to which degree, but it's I would say it depends how automated. But I can create all of the assets now. I can launch the polls now within the application. This is going to be so useful for cover creation. It's amazing. So it's 75% automated. Definitely not full automated, but I'm excited, man. I want to keep working on this. And we have our first writer. She has started. Now I just need to yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this properly. Maybe we do it like this. She is researching. And I'm gonna put date. Maybe like that. Finish or teach writer to finish books. yeah, so she's researching, and allow her to make outline. Amazing. So that's the next step. The music is on hold. I'm not doing any music right now. So it's on hold. And yeah, that's pretty much that. Finish the cookbook. We say reviews or proofreading. And then we're gonna have publish. This can be done next week. Publish cookbook. So we can mark it like that. So that's that. And then this one, I would say, let's try this thing. By the way, I found Whisper Flow from one of our friends in the call. I love it. Whoever it was, I love you. It was one of the, yeah, look at this. Image generation, automated. Next paragraph. Polling, automated. Oh, beautiful. This is so beautiful. Whisper Flow, I love you. So that's that. Then I'm gonna have this as today. Man, this is good. This works. Cookbook research, I have not done anything on that front. And first, this, I would say, content done. Waiting for narration. So I'm also launching the ads right now. So I'm gonna launch all FB ads for Easter. So that's today. I launched the 17th book ads. That's today. And yeah. So I'm gonna launch all of the ads. I have a few more notes here. 1 second, I'm gonna pause it now. Yeah, it seems pretty logical here. I would say the #1 priority is to launch ads and go crazy for Easter. That is the biggest thing. And dude, I've learned so much with programming this week. So much. I've been doing so much, and it's so lovely. I have never been, it's almost feeling like I am playing League of Legends. Every morning I wake up, I'm looking forward to, you know, building. It is the best thing ever. I love it. And yeah, the priority is to actually have a few users come in and test it out with me. It's gonna be very nice. So I'm excited for that. Okay, so that's been this week's public accountability. And yeah, have a good day. Did I show my, I don't think I showed my results. 1 second, I'm gonna just find it here. So the results for this week looking like this. Not having a lot of profit, a lot of new launches, as you can imagine. We are basically, I would say, $2,000 behind. Let me just verify that on the new launches, which means if we didn't have those launches, we would be probably, I don't know, let's see. So $700 here, 1,400. So yeah, let's say $2,100 behind. So we would probably be around 3,700 profit. Also, I pushed hard with the diabetic book, and it, yeah, it could have been more profit. But anyways, let's say at this moment around 3,700 profit we would have been if we didn't push hard on the launch. So in general, it shouldn't be too bad. I think at the end of the month we would probably be somewhere, if 3,700 by now, 5,000 something, plus the Ingram Spark stuff is going to be 6,000. So it's not bad at all. I am looking forward to it. I love this leather jacket. Thank you. And even my friends are making money now. So it feels very good to be part of this amazing thing. So have a good day. This is my Sunday accountability. It feels like I have not done the things that I wanted to do. And that's not a good thing, by the way. I do feel like I'm... The thing is, to set up the program and stuff, is it worth it? Is it driving me towards my curiosity? Yes. Is it productive? Kinda, yes. Not as much as if I would have been more on point and getting things done. I'm getting a lot of like the UI stuff done and making it nicer to use. I don't know how important this is. I don't know how important that is, but I just know that I could be doing things slightly faster. And I'm optimizing, again, optimizing slowly. I mean, today I set up this tool for like my audiobooks, and now I can go on a nice walk and listen to my favorite audiobooks. This is amazing. And these audiobooks, they don't even exist to buy, because sometimes I find a manuscript that doesn't exist, and then I had to pay like 11 Labs, what was it, like $45 for like a generation? It's gonna be too expensive. It would be, if they exist, then it's better to buy the audiobook, right? But now it's like $6. I can probably get it down to $3. Like it's insane. Today's world is insane. I'm just thinking, how do I push harder? That's the only thing I'm thinking. Anyways, have a good day. I should probably, to be honest, just to test out my skills, I should probably push this out, these tools that I'm making, like just, make like different tools and then just launch them, like who knows, maybe this brings $10, that brings 10. The thing is, I need to keep my focus straight, but it would be fun. It would be fun to test out, see how many people like are looking for audiobook, setting up audiobooks. So yeah, it would be kind of cool actually, because the tool is useful. So why not? Why not? That's the only thing. Why not? I don't know. If they find it via Google and they can just like use it, then yeah, it would be nice. I can probably make a YouTube video on it too. Interesting. All right. Anyways, have a good day and bye-bye.